Today I would like to share a technique with you that was created by colleagues of mine, Michael Elner and Ellen Barsky, and it is called Emotional Detox. It is a wonderful and easy to use technique if you have emotional or physical pain and would like to let go of it. So let's go for it. Just make yourself comfortable, and when you're comfortable enough, inhale deeply and exhale. Close your eyes and open your eyes. And close your eyes and open your eyes. As you continue to breathe comfortably, allow your mind to wander and create a safe place in your mind. A place where you feel calm and at peace, where everything is just right for you, where you are protected, at ease, and stay with it for a while. And as you are in that safe place in your mind, allow yourself to feel all the emotional pain or the physical pain that you have been experiencing. Anything and everything that hurts or that is upsetting you or disturbing you. And when you can really feel it, make a fist with your right hand. Inhale deeply and exhale. And open your fist as you do. Close your eyes and open your eyes. And close your eyes and open your eyes. And again, inhale deeply and exhale. And get in touch with memories where you felt really good now, where you felt happy, strong, confident, powerful, at peace. Remember a time when your heart is just simply carefree and light, and your mind is easy. A time when you feel playful, open, curious. And take that moment to allow yourself to feel really loved and appreciated. Remember those days when it felt like life was on your side and you were on top of the world. And hold those wonderful feelings that promote your personal well-being and health by making a fist with your left hand now. And really soak up feeling happy, peaceful, optimistic. These are the feelings that are necessary to help you to move away from the feelings you have experienced before. And really get a sense of that. As you inhale deeply and exhale, opening your fist. Close your eyes and open your eyes. And close your eyes and open your eyes. And make a fist now with both hands at the same time. And be with that for a moment, enjoying yourself. Let all those feelings spread through you and around you. Notice how the happiness, the peace, the calmness, the lightness, the curiosity and playfulness takes over as you inhale deeply and exhale, opening your hands. Close and open your eyes. Feel all the unwanted feelings and emotions just dissolving right out of you, moving into space, falling into dust, into small particles, and just disappear. As you can experience all the good feelings of calmness, confidence, and peace, just stay with you. Very good. Well done.